Do you find that your staff are just not connected to your practice and seem to not feel valued despite the efforts that you're putting in? Because in this video, I'm going to take you through how to help your team feel valued so that they see you as the caring, supportive leader and ultimately become more productive in your practice. Now, if you're a health professional or practice owner and you want to learn the best strategies for growing a successful practice, then hit the subscribe button because every week we're going to be releasing new videos just like this to help you grow and systemize your practice so you can increase your income, help more people, and avoid that burnout.
We can give to our staff members in a way that is not received well, meaning if I value time or if I value gifts, and you consistently, reward me or get to know me through acknowledgements, then we're not on the same level. So staff are not going to blatantly tell you that to your face. They're still going to be, grateful for it, but they're not going to truly value what it is you're bringing. So I would definitely first just get to know what they want, because you don't have to spend a lot of money to try and bring your team together. So if a retreat and spending money is definitely on the books for a particular practice and that you can do that, perfect, do it. But for anyone else listening to this message, don't feel like you have to spend a lot of money in order to get your team together. For example, when I did this particular questionnaire with my staff members, most of my staff members, believe it or not, ticked that the thing they value the most was acknowledgement. So on their birthdays or anniversaries or whatever celebrations that we had, I didn't need to buy them gifts. Although people are always grateful for that, what they valued the most was, really knowing, do I acknowledge them? Do I value them as a human being? And so if I would just write them a note, or if I would make a little, like a massive post on social media or in the business channel, they were over the moon. One of my staff members, instead of going out, she just likes to sit on a couch with a cup of coffee. That's how she regulates. That's how she chills out. So if I try and take her to dinner, these fancy events, sure, she's going to like it. Sure, she's going to participate. But is she in her regulated, comfortable zone? No. But if I go ahead and I know her favorite coffee, her favorite position to relax, I know what she likes to read, then I've just hit the nail really well.
I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, because we release content like this every week. Now, I'd love to know, what was your biggest takeaway from this video? Let me know in the comments section and I'll make sure to check it out and reply back. Now, along with everything that I've mentioned in this video, we have a ton of resources as well linked in the description below. So don't forget to check those out. Last thing, I've actually gone and curated other videos I think you're gonna love. So go and take a look at these, and I'll see you in the next video.